Welcome to video 2 of our Tutor.com AI series. Students today have access to a number of digital tools that can support different parts of the academic process. In this video, we'll look at Tutor.com AI alongside Grammarly, APA Academic Writer, and ChatGPT, and consider which resource may be best suited to which academic task. Rather than thinking of one tool as better than another, it can be more useful to think about what each tool is designed to do. Tutor.com AI focuses primarily on coaching and formative feedback. It is designed to support the student's learning process by using questions and explanatory feedback to help strengthen areas such as reasoning, organization, evidence, structure, coherence, and revision. For example, a student may already have a thesis or an argument in place, but need help identifying where the reasoning could be stronger, or where additional evidence may be needed. Tutor.com AI can help the student examine those areas, while keeping the responsibility for making the actual revisions with the student. In that sense, Tutor.com AI functions primarily as a coach. Grammarly serves a somewhat different purpose. Its primary focus is editing and writing assistance. It can provide real-time suggestions related to grammar, clarity, tone, and the overall polish of a piece of writing. This can be especially useful during the editing stage, when the ideas and organization are already in place, and the student is working to make the writing clearer and more effective. However, students should review Grammarly's recommendations carefully, rather than accepting every suggestion rotely. Some recommendations may substantially change the wording of a passage, and students nevertheless remain responsible for determining whether those changes accurately reflect what they intended to say, and when required, disclosing that use. APA Academic Writer has much more specialized purpose. It is designed specifically to help students learn and apply APA style and scholarly conventions. Academic Writer can provide guidance with in-text citations, reference entries, formatting, templates, tutorials, and other questions related to APA style. For that reason, when a student has a specifically APA-related question, such as how to format a reference, or correctly construct an in-text citation, APA Academic Writer should remain the primary resource. While other tools may provide information about APA style, Academic Writer is specifically designed for learning and applying those standards. ChatGPT is broader and more open-ended than any of these specialized academic tools. As a general-purpose conversational AI, it can assist with activities such as brainstorming, explaining concepts, developing outlines, generating study questions, or helping a student approach a topic from another perspective. Because ChatGPT can respond to a very wide range of prompts, it can be useful in many different situations. At the same time, depending on the prompt and settings, it may also generate substantial amounts of text. Therefore, students need to remain aware of course expectations regarding appropriate AI use, disclosure, and authorship, and faculty instructions always govern how these tools may be used for a particular assignment. A simple way to remember the distinction is this: Tutor.com AI coaches, Grammarly edits, APA Academic Writer teaches APA, ChatGPT provides broad, general-purpose AI assistance. Each resource has its own strengths, and in many cases, they can complement one another at different stages of the academic process. For example, if you have developed an argument, but are having trouble organizing it, or determining whether your evidence supports your conclusion, Tutor.com AI may be useful to begin with. If your ideas are already in place, but your sentences feel awkward, unclear, or unnecessarily wordy, Grammarly may be more appropriate. If you need to know how to format a citation or a reference according to APA style, then APA Academic Writer is the specialized resource for that particular task. And if you are studying a concept and would benefit from another explanation, brainstorming assistance, or help developing study questions, ChatGPT may provide useful general support, depending on the expectations of your course. Ultimately, the best resource depends on the type of help you need. These tools can provide support for different parts of the learning process, but students remain responsible for evaluating the guidance they receive, making their own academic decisions, and following the instructions provided by their faculty member. In video 3, we'll take a closer look at how students can use Tutor.com AI productively and responsibly